Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to see about the CDCS exam related to International Trade Finance. What is CDCS? It is Certified Documentary Credit Specialist. Who is conducting this? CDCS is managed by LIBF, that is London Institute of Banking and Finance, in partnership with International Chamber of Commerce. Why to study CDCS? What is the benefit? So it improves career and promotion aspects for the person who is already in international trade finance. For example, a person who is in payment stream, doing collections or any other LC related products like advising collections, LC issuance, they can complete this and they can transform themselves to the doc checking team. So which gives them a chance for a salary hike as well as the promotion. Apart from that, a business people also can get benefit out of it. How? For the seller, he needs to prepare the shipping documents based on the LC conditions and also complying with the ICC rules like UCP 600, ISBP, Incoterms and etc. So, one from the seller side, if he is able to complete the CDCS, he will get to know the full knowledge and he can prepare documents without any discrepancies, in which they can avoid the discrepancy fees. Most of the banks now they charge from USD 50 to USD 150 and even more. For the buyer side, so buyer has to give the LC applications to the issuing bank. So they have to give the certain conditions which will make the seller to give the required or the expected goods from the buyer end. So they need to frame the conditions, they need to understand what needs to be incorporated in the LC. So the buyer, if he completes the CDCS exam, they can put the conditions what they want. What is the eligibility? There is no specified eligibility or entry requirements given. However, a person who has 2 to 3 years of experience in international trade finance can clear this. Especially the person from a doc checking team can easily clear this. But in my opinion, a person who is having experience in finance and banking can clear this, provided they are ready to go a extra mile. In the sense, they need to put little more effort to clear it. So what is the exam pattern and what is the fee? LIBF is conducting this exam twice in a year and they are charging £595 per attempt. So please refer LIBF website for the current fees. As per LIBF's advice, they say that 6 months of preparation will be required. So once the registration is done, they will be shipping you the self-study material within a week. They also give online access with the user ID and password. So you can log into their website and get to know their materials related to the CDCS exam. What is the assessment criteria? This exam is for 3 hours and 15 minutes and they give 70 multiple choice questions with 3 document checking simulations. They have divided that into 2 sections. Section A is 60 multiple choice questions and section B 10 multiple choice questions with 3 simulation exercises. So this will be for 100 marks. So what is the pass mark? In order to get a pass mark, you need to get 70% of overall, and in section B minimum you need to get a 60%. So both the terms should be satisfied to get a pass mark or pass certificate. What is the syllabus? So ICC is publishing various rules, namely UCP 600, ISBP, Incoterms, ISP, URR, EUCP and so. So we need to get to know or ready or prepare all these publications. You need not worry because all these publications are incorporated in the self-study materials shipped to us. So it's a self-based study. So you can clear it once you go through the study material twice or thrice. What is the knowledge acquired? So you will get to know about the documentary credits, types of documentary credits, and also on standby credits. So you will get to know the parties to the documentary credit, what are the risk and responsibilities involved, and what are all the payment types, other payment types, so and so. You will get to know the transport documents and commercial and financial documents. Also, you will get to know the related products like letter of indemnity, airway releases, and steamship guarantees. Moreover, you will get to know money laundering and terrorist financing. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for chapter wise classes to be taken to clear your CDCS exam.